Your kit will include wall art instructions, pre-trimmed GTO wire, neon glass tubing, tube supports, neon power supply, which is the transformer, and rubber end caps. Spread out your paper pattern onto a flat surface. Carefully place the glass tubing onto the pattern with the tube supports resting flat on the pattern. With the glass tubing lined up with the paper pattern design, rotate the foot of each tube support to align the hole on the inside of the design. Use a pen or Sharpie to mark the holes on each tube support. After all the holes are marked, take the end of your pen and punch a hole in each mark on the pattern paper. Next, you will tape your paper pattern onto the wall where you would like your wall art installed. Using the marks that you made on the pattern, mark each hole onto your wall. Now remove your pattern and set it aside. Line up the corresponding tube support feet with the holes marked on the wall. Hold the base of the tube support against the wall securely and install your screw through the tube support foot in the marked holes on the wall. Carefully examine the paper pattern that you used to install your glass tubing on your wall. Each electrical connection will be labeled. Connect each labeled pre-cut GTO wire between the two glass electrodes using the pattern as reference. Once all GTO wire sections have been connected, install your power supply in desired location. Connect the two leads from the power supply to the electrodes by twisting the wires together and cover with rubber boots. And there you have it. Your wall art is complete.